As the warm summer morning breeze sweeps across Torch Lake and the sun begins to warm the water, boaters will soon be able to enjoy easier access to Torch Lake. The long-anticipated completion of the Torch River Bridge boat, launched near the sandbar on the south end of Torch Lake, is just around the corner, promising to enhance the experience for locals and visitors alike. The new boat launch represents more than just a convenient access point. It symbolizes a bridge to countless memories waiting to be made on Torch Lake's crystal clear waters. The completion of this project ensures that these cherished traditions can continue with greater ease and accessibility. This summer, and for many summers to come, the new boat launch will be the starting point for countless stories, memories, and moments of pure joy on one of the world's most beautiful lakes. Check out this site map drawing for the new Torch Lake boat launch. You'll see more parking for boat trailers and easy access to the lake. Picture this: laughter echoing as kids splash around, boats zipping off for fishing and water skiing, families picnicking on the shore. The community poured its heart into this project, ensuring every detail is perfect. So, pack your sunscreen and bring your friends. The new boat launch is your ticket to the best summer yet at Torch Lake. Let's make some unforgettable memories in northern Michigan on beautiful Torch Lake.